Hey everyone, I am sharing this video with you all today, even though I am not entirely thrilled with how my decorated box turned out. Honestly, I think it's a bit imperfect and I had to resist my urge to scrap it and start over. But then I thought, why not share it anyway? I think it's okay to be imperfect and I would love to hear your thoughts. I find it really useful to have cute boxes like this to keep my belongings organized and within reach. Can we embrace the imperfections and celebrate the effort and creativity that goes into making something, even if it doesn't turn out exactly as planned? Let me know what you think in the comments below.